I think it should start from the schools. Not only the beach, but the school surroundings, your house surroundings, your ward surroundings. Ward means the ward which you stay. Your mapsa clean. And I feel that you are the ambassadors of our Prime Minister, Narendra Ji Modi. Narendra Ji Modi said, I want all the boys and girls who are just coming up in life, I want them to be my ambassadors to send a message of Mission Clean India, Mission Clean Beaches, Mission Clean all the surroundings. Only then India will progress. We are talking about economical growth. We are talking about India being the largest strongest economical country in the world. Financially strong. We'll get jobs, we'll create jobs. But if we do not keep our house in order, that is cleanliness, nothing is possible. We cannot move ahead. Nobody will come over here. No tourist will come over here if we do not keep it clean. Mostly, this beach is being littered on daily basis by tourists. Daily basis. But if the same tourist goes international, goes to Singapore, goes to Dubai, they will not throw this tissue. You can see so many tissues over here. They will not throw it on the beach. They'll put it in their pocket and they'll take it to the nearest bin and put it over there. The same tourist over here will litter. This is inbuilt in our system, which we need to change, which the Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi have sent a very strong message to all the boys and girls of India that you need to send this message, and that is why you are here for this mission Swachh Sagar, Surakshit Sagar, and let us clean today and send a message. And if you are on Instagram, if you are on social media, this photograph should reach the Prime Minister of our country that we are your ambassadors. We are here to send a message to all the Indian tourists and also to the locals that let us keep our surroundings clean, let us keep our beach clean, let us send this strong message across India. I thank the father and the PT teacher and all of you who have come over here to send this message of Swachh Sagar and Clean Goa mission. Thank you very much.
We are all aware that last year NEP was introduced for the Standard 9, and as part of the IDA subject that we have, interdisciplinary subject, one of the topics there is on environmental science, keeping our environment clean. We, the students of Britos, along with the staff, we believe in deeds, not words. And therefore today we are here to express our sincere gratitude to the MLA of this constituency, the Kalangur constituency, who has given us an opportunity today, made all the arrangements for us so that we have this good drive, a coastal cleanup week that we are going to celebrate, so that all our beaches are clean, our environment, our surroundings are clean, and we do this keeping in mind our conscience. We build up a good conscience of cleanliness within ourselves, within our surroundings, and among the people that we work with. And therefore today, I wish you all the best, and let this be a sign for others to follow, a model for others to follow, that we need to keep our surroundings clean, and especially when we come and enjoy the pleasure of the beaches, so that our beaches are clean, so that we all become responsible citizens. So let us enjoy this day doing this beautiful work of cleanliness. I wish you all the best.
Master Nathan Souza will now deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of the management, headmaster, teachers and the students of St. Vito High School, I feel truly honored to deliver the vote of thanks for for this wonderful initiative, Beach Cleanliness Drive. First and foremost, a sincere thank you to our respected Principal Father Basil Vago for your constant encouragement and support. Your guidance has been the backbone of this event, and your belief in student-led community service has made today possible. We are deeply grateful to our Honorable MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo, for providing us the necessary equipment for today's drive and gracing this event with your presence. Your inspiring words and active participation have motivated us all to take greater responsibility for our environment. A big thank you to the Kalangut Village Panchayat for your cooperation and for the smooth local arrangements. We are also thankful to the Police Inspector, Kalangut Police Station and the Traffic Cell Kalangut for ensuring safety and smooth traffic management throughout the event. Your presence and support gave us the confidence and security we needed while working on a public site like the beach. Finally, to our dear teachers and fellow students, thank you for your enthusiastic participation. Let us strive to keep our beaches clean, our communities informed, and our planet protected. Thank you once again and have a wonderful day ahead.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.